Everyone, and welcome back to the channel Literature Philia, your one-stop destination for everything related to literature. And here we are back, but this time we won't be teaching anything or learning anything. Rather, we will be discussing about the future of humanities. I mean, I am nobody to speak for all the humanities subject, but for my subject itself. Now, हमें अच्छे से पता है, we all know for the fact that there is a huge demand of, you see, tech students in the tech market as well as medical students in the medical market. But given the fact that in India it's really, impossible to remove the teaching field by some sort of AI or anything else, because still there are lot of Indians who do not have access to these kind of things where they can only study through AI, and they definitely need teacher in some sort of manner. Now comes the very important fact that private teachers के पास knowledge है and मेहनत करने की हिम्मत भी है, पर पैसा नहीं है. So they are not getting paid enough. So they obviously, like all of us, try hard to get into some government degree college or primary schools to earn more, and after that our sole purpose is not to teach but rather to earn, which is obviously absolutely correct given the situation of the world. But is there any future if you right now are you doing your bachelor's in English literature? So is there any future in coming years? Are you going to be an assistant professor? Well, as much as it is hard to believe, and too want to become that, I too want to become that GDC's assistant professor earning in lakhs and everything. But the fact is that not everybody gets to, and we have to accept it. Now, what is the catch? The catch here is that you might not become the assistant professor or professor of your dream, because I see a lot of comments where they are like कि अरे मैंने तो JRF इतनी बार क्वालिफाई कर लिया, मैंने नेट इतनी बार क्वालिफाई कर लिया, मेरा PhD में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ, या मेरा PhD में एडमिशन हो गया पर मेरा JRF क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ. तो JRF आप क्यों क्वालिफाई करते हैं? क्या आप JRF इसलिए क्वालिफाई करते हैं कि 2-3 साल के लिए आपको एक देयर विल बी अ सोर्स ऑफ मनी? I mean, if you're doing all this for that, it's hilarious. Second of all, jobs are actually hard to get in this field. मुझे कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है जैसे we all are trying and getting nowhere. We're just trying and trying. But I came across one of my senior scholar in Lucknow University, and he told, like, a lot of us, not just me, that you have to be inclusive when you are looking for jobs. Now, I agree with that, क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाया करती थी into an institute. So I used to teach in Institute of Technology and Management at my hometown, and it's in Technology and Management Institute. So there were BTech students and MBA students where I used to teach them soft skills and personality development, English and all that. So why I'm telling you this is because even if you won't get to teach literature at a lot of places, you still have options like PDPs and soft skills in technical as well as management branches. Now that senior got placed into IIM Ahmedabad, and I could not agree more, because we cannot be orthodox towards the job. You have to create the job. There are jobs actually, but we have to look beyond what is taught to us. नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट आपको क्या करना है, मास्टर करनी है, फिर आपको नेट निकालना है, फिर आपको पीएचडी करनी है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. नो, if you really want, see, if your sole purpose is to get a job, then these are the opportunities waiting for you. There are a lot of technical colleges and management colleges who want humanities बैकग्राउंड के बच्चे, क्योंकि हमारा आउटलुक चीज़ों को लेके बहुत डिफरेंट है. हम जिस तरह से किसी भी टॉपिक को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं वो अलग है दैन टेक्निकल एंड मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट. एंड कभी भी जब भी एक रिसर्चर रिसर्च करता है तो उसे क्या चाहिए होता है कि वी वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो गेन सम इंसाइट ऑफ what the other field person is thinking, because it can help to enlarge our vision. तो वैसे ही jobs में भी होता है. Now if your sole purpose is to get a job with a good handsome salary, then this is an option for you. So those who tell you कि there is no future after net, they are dumb. Don't listen to them. There is always a future ahead of you. It is up to you what you want. If you really want to become a professor and complete your PhD and do a research on a given topic which you are so much interested in, then choose PhD, get enrolled and start your research. But if you are doing PhD to make some salary and income, then that's stupid. You should not. If you want to just earn, there are a lot of opportunities lying ahead of you. You just have to open your mind a little bit. So I just want to say, don't hesitate before taking humanities as your field. Thank you so much for watching.